All right, let's talk about stem and leaf. Okay, so let's say I have a data here. This is a data of the sample of the 30 male student with the blood glucose level given in mm or L per liter. Okay, the question say the data given to you, you're supposed to draw out stem and leaf. So stem and leaf mean this. Okay, let me show you here. This is the table you make, kind of like a table. So you start by calling the left side as stem, this side as stem, and the right side as your leaf. Okay. So stem here, you see that all the data, you look at the lowest data first. The lowest is how much? 1.4. And the greatest data valued is 5.2. Okay. So I'm just going to make 1 here, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the 1 here, if I take 1.4, I will just write 1. Instead of 1.4, I will just put a cross here or a straight line down and say this is 4. The leaf is 4. So the decimal point here, I make it 4. So when you read it, it's like 1 with a dash 4 here. And then let's say another value, I put in 5, another value 6. It means the data point here is 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Okay, so this side again is the stem and this is the leaf. Okay, so let's put all the data in the stem and leaf here. So now these are all the data arranged for you. See, so if you have 5.0, you will say 5.0, you put 0 here. 5.2, how many 5.2 do we have here? 1. Okay, from the data we have 1, we write 5.2. How many 5.1? 2 of them, 5.1 here and 5.1 here. So you write 1 and 1. Okay, all right, let's see here. So now I can ask you, find me the mode, median, and IQR. Okay, let's arrange all the data. If you were asked to find all this, arrange the data. Arrangement will be easy for you here. So for instance, I'm doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This I can arrange, put 0 first, and then 1, 1, and then 2, right? This is already arranged. This you can arrange. You can say 2 here, starting with 1, 2, 4, and 5. See? So this is how you can arrange it. All right, let's say we arranged all the data here. This is now being arranged. So this is 1 and then 4 here. So the mode you can see clearly is you see here. See? So I can say that my mode is going to be 4.7. This is my mode. Okay, now let's see here. See, the mode is 4.7 millimole per liter, right? Okay, moving on. Let's see how can I find the median. See, I can also make another table here, and I can say this table is the number of data. Okay, and then I can also make a small table close to it and call this as CF. See, I can say this is now going to be my CF. So 1 here, 1 plus 4, 5, right? This is 1.4. And then add 9 and 5, 14, and then keep on adding 26, keep on adding 30. So I have 30 data, right? So add 1 to the 30 divided by 2, you will get the median position. So on the 15.5, which is going to be here, right? So I know that the 14th position is here. This is the 14th position. So this is the 15th. This is the 16th. So my median is between these two, right? So all I needed to do is just add 40, right? Because 40 is the 15th position with 41, which is the 16th position divided by 2. There you go. Okay. So this is how I am looking for the value of the median. Okay, this is the median value, 4.05. This is, you can put a decimal point here. So I'm changing this, the decimal point I didn't put, so I put here, here. So this is 4.05. Okay, so finding median is straightforward. Then I'm looking for IQR. So how can I find IQR? I need to first find the 25th percentile and the 75th percentile. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I will say that just simply take this times with 0.25 to get the position of Q1. So in this case, my Q1 is 7.5 position. And then Q3, do the same thing. Q3 is the 75th, so 30 times 75th, which is 22.5 position, yeah? So let's see how can we find 7.5 position. So we get 7.5. Make sure that you round it up, okay? So you round it to the 8th position. So 8th position, you can see that this is the 5th position. This is the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th position. See, the 8th position is 3.6. So just write Q1 as 3.6. Okay, let's see how you find Q3. So Q3, again, you got 22.5. You round it up to 23rd. So 23rd is in here. I know this is the 14th, right? This is the 26th position. 25th, 24th, 23rd is here. See, this is 4.7. So I'm getting 4.7 as my 23rd position. Okay, so what do I do next? Find IQR. So take Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 4.7, Q1 is 3.6. Subtract them, I got my IQR now. Okay, so this is my IQR value. Let's see next. Now, this is the fun part. See, now you're given the weight of 16 boys and 23 girls in PE class. Construct a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. So again, we're going to start. So it's up to you. You can put girls here, and then you can put boys here. So you're going to make these two columns. You're going to say, okay, I'm just going to make these two columns. And then let's see this. This is called back-to-back stem and leaf. So let's see the girls with the smallest weight here. Smallest weight is, let's see, is it 55 or 54? Nope, 40. Okay, so I'm going to put 4 here. Do we have boys with the weight of 40? Nope. So this is going to be 4 and 0 for the girls. Gone. Okay, 55 here. We have boy with the weight of 50. There you go. 1. Okay, 59, yes. Okay, let's see the girls. We have 54, 55. Any more? Nope. So we put 5 here. For the girls, it's going to be 54. Then 55. For the boys, 50, 59. See, and then you can just keep on doing for the 6 as well. All right, so this is how I can fill my stem and leaf. This is called back to back stem and leaf diagram. Okay, so you're representing two data. See, there you go. This is how I can represent the data. So I'll plug all this value back in here. Okay, you can see that the data here for the girls are more clustered in the high weight. Compared to the boys, they are more clustered in low weight. See? So this is how I can compare data as well. All right.